Coming up in this video, I've got a cracking passion fruit mojito for you using Boe's Passion Fruit Gin. It's absolutely stunning, so if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. This cocktail I'm going to do for you is basically a passion fruit mojito. Really well. You could call it Southside. Southside is the gin equivalent of a mojito, gin instead of rum. I'm just going to call this a passion fruit mojito because this is really, really lovely. So I'm just going to take my tall glass. So we've got, I'm going to put 5 lime wedges squeezed in there. Nicely squeezed. Should end up with about, actually let's go one more. The whole lime wedge. There we go. See, that should end up with about 25 ml of lemon juice, lime juice squeezed in there. The next ingredient you want is sugar syrup. I've made so many mojitos on this channel. Now, because that gin is a little bit sweeter than rum would normally be, normally I'd go 25 ml for sugar syrup in my mojitos. This one, I'm just going 15, okay, 15 ml. Otherwise, it'll be too sweet for my liking. So, 6 lime wedges, 15 ml of sugar syrup. I'm going, of course I am, double bubble of the passion fruit gin. There we go, look at the colour of that already, it's amazing. Then we want some really lovely vibrant mint leaves. And we want about 10 to 12 of these mint leaves. I'm just going to strip them. Hen parties know exactly what's coming up now. What do we do with the mints? We don't put it in the glass and bash the crap out of it. We put it in the palm of our hand, about 10 to 12 mint leaves, and we spank the mint. There we go. And that just, oh, it's lovely. And that just awakes the aromas and the flavours of the mint, and that's all you really want. Absolutely lovely. Just going to top this up with some soda water. We'll not top it, about half full, no more than half full. There we go, about that much. And then the little trick I like to do, in case you haven't seen any of these, I like a few big chunky ice cubes just in the bottom of there. Give it a quick stir. Bring the limes and the mint to the top. Just stir that through. That's lovely. Now I'm going to top up with crushed ice. There we go. All us bartenders, we love our crushed ice just to sit on top there. And then another sprig of mint just to garnish. And how is that? That is my passion fruit mojito made with passion fruit, Boe Passion Fruit Gin. That is absolutely lovely. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.